think I'm crooked. No, I'm definitely crooked. Hello, my belly dance friends, and welcome to my channel. Today, my friend Rosanna is coming back to show us some more makeup tips. This time, she's going to show us how to make a glamorous look for an outdoor or smaller venue gig. Last time, she showed us the glamorous big stage makeup look, but this time, she is going to be showing us how to prepare for something that is a little more interactive, in your face. You're gonna be around people close up, so you're not having to accent certain features quite as heavily as you would if you were on a big stage, lit in front of, backlit in front of a bunch of people from far away. Rosanna Setu, also known as Matria, is a fusion belly dancer from Dallas-Fort Worth, Texas area. She's also a Reiki master. She performs with the professional company The Wings of Isis and also as a solo performer. She has taught at a variety of local festivals. She and her mother, Hannah, do a lot of workshops together that incorporate body wellness, body awareness, generally taking care of yourself as a person, as a dancer, as a performer. They also perform beautifully together. So without further ado, here is Rosanna.
Hi friends! This is my outdoor makeup. I would wear this for festivals or weddings or Renaissance fairs. This is generally what I like to do. I like to have more natural eyeshadows, sort of neutral all of the browns and tans, and still represent with a little bit of shimmer in the corners here and some highlights. Have a natural glow. I like to start with always sunscreen, very important. SPF. This one I love because it's pretty light and doesn't leave the white residue on the face, and it absorbs really well and actually helps with my oiliness. It has zinc in it, so it's a natural sunscreen that also helps with sweat. And personally, I have pretty oily skin, so I've noticed that the zinc really helps with that a bunch. Another thing that helps is my foundation, the Smashbox 24-hour wear studio skin foundation. I wear a 2.12, so this has helped a lot. Also with my oiliness, it stays 24 hours, seriously, which is really important for outdoor festivals and dancing. It has held up in the hot weather and even the rain. The next thing, I have some minimal contouring. I like to be natural so it doesn't look like an Instagram model outside. So I just do a little bit of contouring here. A lot of the highlight though, because I like the natural glow. I don't like the sweat glow so much, but I do like shimmer glow. So next, my eyes. I have, first of all, two different shaped eyes. This one is a little bit smaller and my right is longer. So I have to sort of fudge this one to make it look like this one. Sometimes they don't do the same things and it drives me crazy. So I actually had to edit this one because I started with this one and then I did this one and it looked totally different, so I added more of the wing on this one. So that's a challenge, but it happened. Second of all, my eyelids are puffy. They're naturally hooded, so I don't have a lot of the crease showing. So what I like to do is highlight with a lighter shade and a lot of glitter on the middle part and inside, and then focus more of the color and the darkness on the outside so that it opens my eyes and helps with the shape. And I also use the liquid eyeliner that I also had to learn how to do with my hooded eyes because I tried back when I was a baby girl putting on makeup for the first time. I didn't know that I needed to do my liner differently because I didn't know that it looks different on hooded eyes versus regular eyes or different eyes. So I just used the Dr. Hauschka liquid eyeliner, and this doesn't transfer at all. Sometimes I have the issue of some liquid liners getting on my upper lid or like coming down here and getting in the corner of my eye, but I never have that issue with this one. What I have to do for my hooded eye to make it look like a straight line, I have to make a little curve right there so that when I look straight on, it looks like it's a continuous line, but it's not. So I'll go into more detail with that and show you what it looks like. Alright, so I'm starting with the Smashbox eye primer, and then I'm going in with some eyeliner on the top of my eye. This is with a smaller brush. I'm smudging out that eyeliner. I'm using a middle shade that's got shimmer. This is by Pacifica. I'm using a darker shade on the outer corner of my eye, and then a middle shade between those two in the very middle to blend out the two. Then I'm using the darkest color in that palette on the outer corner, sort of making a triangle shape. And now this is a blender brush, blend all that. And then this is a highlighter shade on the top of my eyebrow. And then I do eyeliner on the bottom and blend out some more and add the middle shade on the bottom. Now this is the highlighter shade on the inner corner of my eye. Starting with my liquid eyeliner now, I go out and then I go back in. And then I color in the inside, and then I do a straight line sort of in the middle of my eye to the outside, and then I fill it in. And for the lips, I like to have a bright color, not so dark. It depends on the style of dance, yes. So if I know I'm going to do a more fusion piece, I'll do a darker color. But usually if I'm at like a Renaissance fair or at a festival or wedding, I like to have a bright red. And then afterward, I will use a setting spray. This one by Wet n Wild. It's the natural finish. I will spray it all over and let it dry, and it keeps everything in place. Another super important thing is the Smashbox 24-hour photo finish shadow primer. I put this on before my eyeshadow and it keeps that in place all day. So I hope that helps. Thank you, Blair. Sending all my love to you.
Please check out Rosanna's channel if you haven't already. There's lots of great videos and footage of her doing her thing. Alright guys, thanks so much for watching today's video. If you have any questions about the products used or the look that Rosanna created today, please go ahead and comment below. If you like the video, please go ahead and press that thumbs up button. If you haven't already subscribed, please consider pressing that red button so that you can get more videos like this. And if you have any content that you're really interested in seeing regarding the belly dance world or performance or dance, please go ahead and comment below. All right, guys, that's it. Thanks so much for joining me today.